We have to assemble submarine. Filling submarine. Press the... You're doing really great. Let's inspect the bottom for building a water park. It's time to head for the port. An island directly ahead. Left rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Pull the lever down to sound a blast to it. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Look, it's a sticker! Keep up the good work. Let's assemble a piling ship and a blue barge. Don't stop! Now we need to fill it. Piling ship. Pump. That's all. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Done! Let's install bearing piles. Look, it's a sticker! Ready. We need to assemble yellow barge. That's all. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. We did it! Let's load the materials into yellow barge. Amazing! Let's reinforce the structure with metal beams. Wow, a new sticker! keep it up. First, let's assemble a mast crane and a red barge. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Mast crane. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's install pumps for supplying water upwards. And now we will be heading to the port. Rocks on the horizon, right? We're approaching a coral reef, right, rudder? Attention, another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. Great, we got past all the obstacles. Look, it's a sticker! Don't stop! We have to assemble stacker ship. Stacker ship. Press. Don't stop. Let's set up a platform for slides. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Amazing! Look, it's a sticker! We did it! We have to assemble blue barge. You're doing really great. Filling blue barge. Press the... Keep up the good work. And now, let's load the materials into blue barge. Keep up the good work. Let's make a covering and the basic site. Wow, a new sticker! Don't stop! We have to assemble. Red barge! We did it! First, we have to fill it. Red barge! Pump. Keep it up. Let's install supports for slides. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Amazing! First, we need to assemble. Container ship. We did it! And now, let's load the materials into container ship. Done! Let's assemble the slides from different parts. It's time to head for the port. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. An island directly ahead. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. First, let's assemble a crane ship and a barge. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's install a frame and assemble a spiral slide. And now, let's repair. Crane ship. We need to straighten the screw. Don't stop. First, we need to assemble ship carrier. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Ship carrier. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's add some scenery to our water park. And now we will be heading to the port. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Pull the lever. There is a coral reef ahead. Right, rudder. There are rocks directly ahead. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Let's repair. Diving boat! We need to weld a crack on the ship. Let's grind the welding seam. And now let's paint the stain. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Diving boat! Press the... You're doing really great. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Keep it up. Let's turn on the pumps and check the slides. Now we need to wash it clean. Diving boat! You're doing really great. Look, it's a sticker! We did it! We need to assemble a crane ship and a cargo ferry. Now we need to fill it. Cargo ferry. Pump. Done. Let's load the materials into cargo ferry. You're doing really great. Let's build a lifeguard tower. It's a sticker! Amazing! First, we need to assemble. Boat. That's all. Filling. Boat. Pump. Amazing! Let's make a buoy fence. All done! The water park is finished! It's a beautiful place for swimming and riding slides.